These are the largest remaining areas of primeval forests of Forest Beach, Fagus sylvatica, which in the past used to cover over 40% of the European continent. Though human activity brought about the catastrophic decrease of their area, last remaining unique territories of primeval forests of this kind preserved in the Transcarpathia, Ukraine, and in the eastern part of Slovak Republic. It is exactly due to their virginity beach primeval forests possess a complete set of flora and fauna species which have made up a real interlacing of ecological ties centuries ago. Complexes of living organisms which cannot be found elsewhere in the world have survived here. About 500 species of various organisms found here are closely bound to the beech trees and exist exclusively thanks to this parent breed. Such diversity of ecological ties secures stability of the primeval forests under the changing environmental conditions. Integrity of the species composition makes the primeval forest a valuable source of scientific data. All areas of primeval forests are connected with one another by means of the ecological corridor system, which includes well-preserved natural forests. This fact secures a sound genetic connection of populations of the living organisms which make up forest ecosystems. Beech primeval forests are also closely connected by genetic and ecological ties with well-preserved areas of highland ecosystems, which are vitally important for them. Together, they constitute complete altitudinal zones of the Carpathians. Beech primeval forests of the Uholka-Shirokий Lug massif, which is the largest one, grow on the limestone bedrock of the Limestone Age, which has been formed on the bottom of the ancient ocean and contains remnants of prehistoric plants and animals. Karst processes that have been lasting within local limestone bedrocks for centuries brought to origination of various surface and underground karst forms. These karst formations became a real cradle of life for a number of strictly endemic species of the living organisms known only from this place. Beech primeval forests of the Carpathians impress with their powerful beauty, majesty, and ancient history. 360-year-old trees are rather common here. Some of them reach 55 meters in height, with a diameter about 1.4 meters. Powerful beech trees with thick gray candle-like stems are deprived of branches up to 30-40 meter level, make up a giant colonnade of the majestic temple of nature. Probably these living temples inspired prominent architects of the past to create the immutable canons of the medieval sacral Gothic architecture. Wilderness, pristine nature, and the virginity of beech primeval forests are conditioned by the absence of any signs of human activity. Exactly here one may feel an inimitable harmony of chaos and to see the world with the eyes of our distant forefathers who have first appeared in Europe thousands of years ago. For decades, visitors from all over the world leave this area deeply impressed and touched with the prehistoric beauty of the primeval forests in the very center of Europe.